na-offend si Senator Jinggoy Estrada sa sinabi ni Erwin Tulfo. Yung nag-walk out si Erwin Tulfo ba, tapos sabi niya, oh, common sense, oh, kasi ang gusto nila yung mga aarestuhin, mga ganun-ganun ang mga sinasabi ni Erwin Tulfo. Na-offend si Jinggoy Estrada. Sabi ni Jinggoy Estrada, siguro na ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte? I think that comment was uncalled for. Hala. As why the proposed motion has to be resolved today, so replied, why not? Hala ka. So na-offense si Senator Jinggoy Estrada sa statement ni Erwin Tulfo. O ito kabibig ha, panoorin natin yung kung ano ang emosyon ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada na dinamay pa ang status ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, ni Joel Villanueva, yung mga iba na di umano'y bibigyan or magkaroon ng warrant of arrest sa kasong plunder di umano. Kaya sabi ni Jinggoy, bakit alam niya? Sabi ni Jinggoy, siguro na ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte? Woo! That sounds intriguing. Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o korte? Ito kabibig ha, pakinggan natin kabibig ha. Ito.
Dahil dito sa flood control.
Sigurado na ba siya? Sigurado ba siya? Meron ba siyang contact sa taas o sa korte? I think that that comment was uncalled for.
Tama. Masyadong confident naman si Erwin
I don't know why he mentioned that hindi ko alam kung bakit how he came up to that conclusion.
Pero offensive ba para sa
Of
inyo?
course. Very offensive.
At uminin mo nabanggit na bang
Ano?
At uminin mo nabanggit na siya na 30 may nangyari atake ng karakter, may lumang ganun.
Wala naman. Wala naman.
Then how do you feel about Senator
Senator,
Erwin's remarks kanina na katawa po siya?
as I mentioned earlier, that statement of his was uncalled for. I don't know if he has contact with the courts at sigurado na kaming makukulong. I don't know.
Any actions, ethics?
Sir, are you favor with Marcoleta's motion?
Yes, of course.
Why, sir?
Sir, why is there a need to hurry po with the motion, sir?
So bakit kailangan talakayin na today yung motion? Bakit kailangan ng talakayin today yung motion?
Oh. Hindi yan pag-aksaya. Ito pala nangyari. Kinig tayo ha.
Senator Cayetano.
I'm listening to the two senators, and as I mentioned kanina na wag na tayong gumamit ng brasuhan, etc. And I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think they're meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May I reiterate my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair, Madam President,
Before that,
Madam President.
yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion?
Ooh.
This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair,
Tonight
they're
na.
in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is
Oh,
that the
grabe
reason
naman.
why? Is that the reason why they have to have
Point
this
of order na
inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the
We recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out
Senate
of
President.
order
Out of order talaga.
because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule,
Tama.
hindi minadali. May 11 pa ho yun. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via Viva Voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call.
Nag-walk out na kasi ang minority. Diba?
That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
On Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out
Tama.
and left the minority leader instead of discussing the
Tama.
rule.
Tama.
We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then,
Nag-walk out sila.
ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator
Correct.
Erwin
Tama.
Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn.
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable.
uh,
Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
inquiry.
It's not
We're not
debatable.
debating
Parliamentary
minority
inquiry,
leader.
Madam
Madam
adjourn.
President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum. Yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
A
upon a
quorum
situation,
call,
Madam President,
motion
when they
to
readily
adjourn
and willingly walk out.
takes precedence.
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung
President,
sakasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides,
5 p.m. Monday.
and we will adjourn session.
There you go, kabibig. Naku. Mga kabibig. Ito ang commenter, Manderson. Didn't they did it when Trillanes was in jail? He can attend sessions via Skype. I remember because he was interviewed and showed his cell. Also is walking out the same as filibuster. So it will be delayed over and over, and I think they're practicing if they can have majority, the minority will keep walking out. And it's favorable to the minority because they will use it to tarnish the majority. First major din ba yung case ni Dilima when she was in jail? Tapos si Lito Lapid ililipat sa majority. The Bulaga 11 started the bend the law technique. Now that it was used against them, it becomes unacceptable. Kabado masyado, mukhang maraming dawit sa maleta. Uy, ano ba naman yan? Di ba sabi ni Senator Cayetano, what if kung ganito what if sa Blue Ribbon Committee, ma-mention yung pangalan nila, ganun bang gawin nila? Hindi nila hawak ang beat kasi kaya nag-walk out na lang. Typical na gawain ng mga talunan. Parang ganyan nangyari kay Erap, nag-walk out din. Uy. Idol lang nagtitraining sa pag-walk out. Ang lahat ng senador ay inelect ng milyon-milyong tao. Narapat lamang sila ay maka-attend at makaboto sa Senate hearing sa anumang paraan gaya ng online. If pwede mag-online voting, mag-online class at iba pa, bakit bawal Senado yon? Hayaan yung magtrabaho ang mga politiko sa anumang paraan kaya gampanan ang tukulin nila sa bayan. Nakakahiya ang Bulaga 11. Majority rules, kaya nga gusto nilang makuha yan, kaya nga sunod-sunod ang kaso na nasa majority na senador. Talk the legalities, walk out na lang. Dito muna makikita kung gaano kakawalang hiya ang 11 na malita. Nakalagay ba sa konstitusyon yung present lang sa Senate Hall? Di ba nakalagay all as discussed by Rigo Oliva? Allah. Delayed it will be still be taken up next time. May Zoom naman. Yan na ang patakaran ng ibang company. Naku po. Kaya kabibigyan ang mga latest chika-chika ngayon. Pero ito pala yung nangyari kanina pag walk-out nila. Grabe yung walk-out ni Erwin Tulfo, ha? Talagang, sabi ni Jinggoy, hindi ko na siya papatulan. Bakit alam niya? May ano ba siya? May insider ba siya doon sa taas o sa korte? Hala, ito.
After the motion, whether we should take
Yun ang walk-out. Sabi pa ni Zubiri,
bibigyan niya ng
come on, nagabi si Zubiri.
Bakit po nag-walk out, sir?
Sir,
Pinipolo na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media, na ilalabas na warrant of arrest para makaboto yung mga yun na makukulong.
guys, give way. Guys, give way.
Makaboto
Guys, give way.
kung nakakulong man sila.
Give way, please.
Common sense, hindi naman tayo tanga. Journalist tayo, di ba?
Wow.
Common sense.
Give way, guys. Give
Common
way.
sense.
BS.
Give way.
Kung ano mga rules
Sir,
pa.
sir, give way.
Ano mga rules? Rules yun eh. Bakit ganun ka? For rules yun. Huwag i-bend the rules. Bend the rules yata. Ano mga rules? Yeah, we have to follow rules para
We are not be part of the travesty of our rules, of Senate rules.
Hindi maniwala si Tulfo ng rules. Sabi ni Tulfo, rules. Against the rules. Sabi ni Tulio, bakit may pa-rules pa? Hala ka.
Kaya papayag sa mga
Hindi sila pwedeng magboto. Hindi sila pwedeng magbasa ng motion. Guys, senators muna.
violation of the rules. Excuse me. What's the We discussed after the motion whether we should take it out.
Yun, kabibig. Hulo sila kanina. After doon, nag-post si Risa Hontiveros. Nag-post si Risa Hontiveros ng ng picture nila nag-walking, United Minority. Malit. Ito ang comment ng mga nag-walk out mga hungas. Takot sila mag-zoom si Zaldico. Hala, bakit naging Zaldico na yon? Ano nangyari? Ba't puro Zaldico na pinag-uusapan? Takot silang mag-zoom si Zaldico. Bakit? Oo nga, yung hindi maka-attend pwede mag-zoom. Naku po, mga kabibig. Anong nangyayari? Ang gulo-gulo. Naku, nasan ba yung unity? Unity nila, nakita ko kanina yung yung tawag doon. Unity daw yung picture. Unity. Kiko Pangilinan. May picture sila daw. Nag-take sila ng photo. Tapos, unity. Ako. Ito pala kabibig. Tapos, meron lang statement kung bakit sila nag-walk out. Ha? Unity sila. Ilan ba sila dito? Unity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nasaan yung isa? Solid block. Akala natin Unity, di ba 11 sila? Nasaan si Lito Lapid? Naku po, ano nangyari kay Lito Lapid? Hala ka, Unity block. Solid block, pero nasaan si Lito Lapid? Di ba? Bakit ba? Akala natin galit sila. Bakit sila tumawa? Hala ka. Ito ang kanilang statement, mga kabibig. Basahin natin, ha? Joint statement on the Senate minority walkout. We condemn We strike only what happens to be an attempt to rush a major change in the Senate rules, especially when several members of the minority still wanted to speak and raise serious questions on the floor. Bakit kailangan madaliin? Bakit kailangan pigilan ang mga gustong magsalita? Bakit kailangan divide ang House kung maaari pang senador ang natatanong tungkol sa proseso? Minamadali ba ang rule of change na ito dahil gusto nilang makaboto si Senator Bato? At ngayon may ulat na may mga majority senators na maaaring aristuhin. We walk out because what happened on the floor looked less like orderly deliberation. The proposed rule change affects how senators may attend sessions, participate in proceedings, and exercise their mandate through remote means. And such a measure should be open to healthy public debate instead of being rushed by the tyranny of the majority. We all have always welcomed a healthy discussions on the floor, but this should mean allowing all members to be heard, not forcing the chamber to move at the speed preferred by the majority. At the time the motion was taken up, there was no duly constituted committee on rules, and there was not even an elected majority leader who could properly guide a rule amendments through regular process. How could there have been any action or discussion before the committee on rules when no committee on rules have been organized to date? With due respect, the answer that no Senate rule has been violated does not settle the matter, because the rules cannot be treated as a matter of convenience when the very process of amending them is under serious question. The timing which is the question that the public deserves to hear debated openly, kaya pinili naming tumayo at iwan ang majority sa plenaryo. Kaya kami nag-decision to question the quorum and call for adjournment. If the proposal is truly defensible, then let pass through the proper route. We owe it to the people who voted for us to do our mandate. This is why we want more time to discuss this further. Pero nag-walk out kayo. Hala ka. So yun, kabibig, ang kailang statement. So ano ang iyong reaction hinggil dito, kabibig? Solid black silang 11 pero 10 lang na pa-picture. Nasaan si Lito Lapid? Na majority black na ba? Hala ka!